In this video, we are going to look at fractional exponents. And when we look at this first one, we have x. And the seventh root tells us out of how many. So out of 7, here's our exponent 3. So we have 3 out of 7 of the x's that we need. In the second example, again, when we have our square root, the bottom, our denominator, tells us out of how many. So out of 9, we have 4, or we could write out of 9, we have 4. So either one. In our last example, we have z to the 2/5. It shows us that we can have a fraction as an exponent. And then we have x third root of x squared. So in this case, we can write x, and we have 2 out of the 3 that we need. So we can either write it as a fraction or write it as a root. And remember that the denominator tells us out of how many. So that would be what goes in our root. And the numerator is how many we actually have. So you can either put it inside the root with our variable or outside of the whole radical.